job, boys and girls. I know that you've done an awesome job reading through. We're going to read this last paragraph. Leonardo explored almost every field of science, including optics, geology, botany, physics, and engineering. He made great advances in the study of anatomy. His notebooks are filled with highly detailed drawings of human bodies, not just the outside, but the inside too. Boys and girls, I hope that you went through, were underlining, looking for those core vocabulary words. So good job. And this again is our rereading. So we're looking again for those things that we might have missed in our first reading, right? Okay, so let's go on with our lesson. So the next part is our favorite word work. Okay, so in the chapter you read, that belief that a man can do anything he sets his mind to drove Leonardo to explore uncharted territory in many fields. So uncharted, we know, is unknown or not previously explored or experienced. The expression comes from choreographers, map makers, charting or making maps of faraway places, right? Uncharted territory can also be an area of which has little, if any, is known. If it's not known really, okay? An example: Christopher Columbus decided to sail west to find a new route to India. He thought he was entering uncharted territory. He didn't know there were really already people living in the Americas, boys and girls. So that's an example of using uncharted. So he went somewhere that really didn't have too much people there living there, and he uncharted territory, right? So my first question here, remember, if it's any question or any activity that has a red box around it, that means I want an answer, or I need you to type an answer here. So what part of speech do you believe uncharted is? Is it an adjective, a noun, a verb, an adverb? So type it here. Okay, excellent job, boys and girls. Now log off so that you can go into Schoology to complete your Unit 4, Lesson 4 wrap up, right? So good job, boys and girls. We did accomplish so much today through our reading lesson. We were able to reread Chapter 3. We talked about our core vocabulary. We talked about our word work, and now it's time to go ahead and complete your activity on Schoology. Bye until next time.